Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got our 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue we're going to go over how you would be able to remove this inner tail light assembly in case you need to replace it because it got broken one way or the other. There's a bit more to it than just removing a few things. So first we would need to pop the hatch. So we have this plastic panel that goes up here. It had two push pins that were here, a screw for the through the handle, and a bunch of other push pins that you got to work your way around and pop out. And then you can drop this down to be able to gain access to the underside here. And so this is where the light assembly is. So you're going to want to just twist the light bulbs out, quarter turn to the left, and you can remove them. And then you've got one screw here, it's a nut here, and a nut here, and a nut right up in here. And that's the three nuts, and these are size 8 that you need to remove for the light itself. Now you'll also have a size 10 in here, another 10 up here, there's a 10 in the middle here, and then two 10s over here that you'll need to remove to be able to get this thing to pop out, because you can push it up but it's held in by the panel on the outside. Okay, so with this panel then we're going to want to kind of move this, and there is a push pin in here you got to pop. There's two black push pins you got to pop to get that undone. You can either undo the electrics or just kind of let it hang. And right here is a pin that you got to pop that out, and once you pop that out then you'll be able to pull the whole housing element out and to be able to remove that. And once you got it, if you need a new one, you would get your new one. Make sure that your little rubber grommet there, it surrounds all of this, is in place, so that when you put your new one back on we don't get any moisture leaking into the trunk unit itself. So then you would put this back on and go through the process to make sure you snap that one in, put this on, and then tighten the three number 8 nuts that hold the tail light assembly. Place the lights back in, twist them quarter turn so that they lock, and then you would put the other 4 bolts, I think it's 5, the other 5 in here, and then you would take the black plastic piece and snap that back up into place. So that's how you would replace this outer tail light, or the inner tail light assembly, on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.